Dan Dennett tries to share his understanding of human consciousness through an approach mixing science and philosophy.
And so, what I'm going to try to do today is to shake your confidence. Because I know the feeling, I can feel it myself. I want to shake your confidence that you know your own innermost minds, that you are yourselves authoritative about your own consciousness.
What we are, what each of us is, what you are, what I am, is approximately 100 trillion little cellular robots. Not a single one of those cells is conscious. Not a single one of those cells knows who you are or cares. Somehow, we have to explain how when you put together teams, armies, battalions of hundreds of millions of little robotic unconscious cells, not so different really from a bacterium, each one of them, the result is this. I mean, just look at it. So this being part of the larger question of emergence in science, which is the propensity of large systems have for exhibiting unpredictable properties at large scale.
How is that possible? Many people just think it isn't possible at all. They think, no, there can't be any sort of naturalistic explanation of consciousness. A lot of people are just left completely dissatisfied and incredulous when I attempt to explain consciousness. So I have to do a little bit of the sort of work that a lot of you won't like, for the same reason that you don't like us to see a magic trick explained to you.
The focal part of your eye, which is the high resolution part, is only about the size of your thumbnail held at arm's length. You're getting in a lot less information than you think. Let's just do this experiment very quickly. So here's an image. Is the shape on the left the same as the shape of the right rotated? Yes. How many of you did it by rotating the one on the left in your mind's eye to see if it matched up with the one on the right? How many of you rotated the one on the right? Okay. And how do you know that's what you did?
Even when you're the subject in the experiment, you don't know. You don't know how you do it. And what explains the fact that that's what you think? Well, that's why you have to go backstage and ask the magician. While we are using our consciousness to inspect our consciousness, and that recursion is confusing. Will science one day be able to fully explain our consciousness from the elemental neuron to the complex association of billions of these that we call brain?